Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So I'm excited. I have my BoxyCharms in, and we're gonna do first, well, I don't know what order you guys are gonna see this in, but I am going to be filming them all tonight. First, for me, unboxing is going to be the base box. If you guys don't know, I'm sure you do, this is the $25 a month box. Out of 3, this is the Luxe month. So if you get Luxe, normally you wouldn't get this, but I do have 2 paid accounts. You guys, BoxyCharm does not send me anything. I wish, but they do not. So I do pay for 2 separate accounts. And this is my base box. I already did my Luxe box. Hopefully you guys have already seen that. And let's just get into this one because I want to see what's in here. My Luxe box was really good. So hopefully this one's just as good. So let's get into it. All right, so when you open it up, it has the red, which is the base box. And then let's open, please. Okay, it didn't want to open. So here's what the inside is looking like. I completely forget what I picked and all that. So we have bubbles and glitz, and I am variation number 24. So first things first, I think I picked this. I'm not sure. I don't remember. This is a little mini ceramic curling iron. I don't want to pull it out because it's all in its plastic wrap, but I will read to you what it says. Suture Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. Style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Create gorgeous curls. That's not a lot. I do mine at 400. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature controls, valued at $49.99. That's a little high priced. I would never pay $50 for a little baby curling iron. I don't know that I would pay $50 for a regular size curling iron either. Anyhow, it's in the box, so I'm not mad at it, but there's the first item. Second item is a MAC lipstick. And you guys, this is a very cool toned lipstick. I've never seen this color, but I don't know if it's going to show up good, but it is like a very light, it's coming off a little bit darker than what it really is. It's lighter than this, like a cool tone brown, and it's called Fresh Brew. All right, and then it's a Lustra lipstick, and of course, MAC lipsticks are MAC lipsticks. I'm not going to read it. $19 is what it is valued at. And let me see if it'll get a better look when I open it up. If you guys can actually see, it's still lighter than what it's showing on the camera. It's pretty. I don't know if I'm going to use it, so I'm not going to swatch that because it's not really my color. I don't know. I will see what I will do with this. I'm not sure. So moving on, we have a full size. Well, these are all full size. Well, no, they're not, because that curling iron is not full size. BoxyCharm. These are all supposed to be full-size items, right? This is the Man-Eater Mascara from Tarte. It says maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula, valued at $23. It has one of those rubber bristles right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think you can. I feel like I'm going to stab myself with these. However, I do like them for the bottom lashes. Right now I have way too many mascaras open. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I do have, I think, a couple minis of this. But again, I'm not mad at it. So, full-size Tarte mascara. All right. Then we have this blender sponge thing from Makeup Eraser that's kind of cool, actually. I mean, I'm kind of interested in this, honestly. I'm not interested in the washing machine part of it, but I'm interested to see how the sponge from Makeup Eraser is. Does that make sense? The original Makeup Eraser, the sponge, the first ever machine washable sponge specifically formulated by the original Makeup Eraser, It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing, valued at $18. Again, I don't know. I guess I'll try it. I do like the makeup erasers, and I do use them, but I would need like at least 2 or 3 of these to be throwing one in the washing machine, you know, because who has time to wash your sponge and then, you know, anyway. I'm going off on a tangent. Here is what the sponge looks like. It does have the flat side, another flat side here, and then you have the point, which is good. I mean, it's a nice little sponge. It feels really dense though. It's not like one of those super soft ones. And then I guess your concept would be to put it in the bowl and close it and then just throw that in the wash. I don't know. Have you guys tried this? Let me know down in the comments. I mean, I'm definitely going to try it. Whether or not I continue to throw it in a washing machine, probably not. But, I mean, it's kind of cool to get this. So, I'm not mad at it. All right. Now, we are down to the last item. And I'm pretty sure this is the same one that I got in my Luxe. I don't know. Let me look at it real quick and then I'll tell you. Yes. Okay. So, I already received this. So, I will be putting this one aside. That's what happens when you get multiple boxes. But this is a really nice palette. I forgot to use it today or else I would have. And it is the Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. An ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelight radiance. But this is valued at $55. Iconic London is expensive. It is very pretty. I love how it has the lights. Very pretty palette. And I do like the shades. So, I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad product. I don't know why they put it in the Luxe and in the base box. I guess because if normal people had the Luxe, you wouldn't get the base, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, recapping our box, we have the Iconic London face palette. We have the mini curling iron, a full-size Tarte mascara. We have the MAC weird cool tone brown lipstick. And then we have this makeup sponge washing thing from the makeup eraser. So, I mean, not the best box, but for $25, I don't think it's a bad deal. What did you guys think? What did you guys get? I love comparing boxes, and let me know down below. But, I mean, favorite item? Probably this, because I'm intrigued by it. And if it wasn't for me already getting this palette, I would have to say that's another good winner in this box. But anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.